I just wanna.
This phone is locked on password that we will need to unlock the phone, but unfortunately we do not have the password, so there is no way we can have access to the phone unless we do a hard reset. And this method is very simple, so please follow my steps to be successful in doing the hard reset. So before we start, let's power off the phone. Before you start, put your finger on the power button and at the same time on the volume down button. Press them together simultaneously. Continuously. Don't delay in doing this, else you will not be able to do the hard reset. So first, put your finger on the power button and press it, and at the same time on the volume down. Now let's go to yes, and now yes again to do the hard reset. So let's wait for it to be done. The phone is erasing data, so this means